Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the background automatically in PhotoRoom using just one tap. This works both on Android and iPhone, so let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from the home screen, you can just tap on Start from Photo, Create or Plus icon depending on the version of the app. Then select the photo that you want to edit from the gallery. Make sure that the subject is clear from the best background removal results. As soon as you select the photo, PhotoRoom automatically removes the background using AI, so you don't need to do anything. That happens instantly. Once the background is removed, you can see your subject on a transparent or new background. You can add any new background colors, insert an image, or just choose a template that you want. If needed, you can just tap on Refine, Erase or Restore to manually adjust the edges for a clear results. And after all the adjustment, when you are happy with the result, you can just tap on Export or Save and choose the image format and quality that's saved into your device. Then tap on Close Design, and that's how you can remove background automatically in PhotoRoom in just a few seconds. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more PhotoRoom tutorials.